again and again. So guys, magpapaano lang kami. Magbabagay drop lang kami kasi masyado kaming maraming lalaki.
Whoa, woke up in a different time, yeah, what a crazy ride. One step forward, now I'm running through the neon lights. Yesterday's a memory, tomorrow's calling me. Ticking clocks can't hold me down, I set my future free. Faster than the speed of sound, watch me lift up off the ground. Seconds bend and fade away, I'm dancing in another day. I'm a time jumper racing through the years, flying past the echoes, leaving all my fears. Every clock is spinning, can't hold me in place. One step ahead, I'm gone without a trace. From ancient streets to worlds unknown, golden skies, electric roads, rewrite history, break the chains. No past, no future, just today. Faster than the speed of sound, watch me lift up off the ground. Seconds bend and fade away, I'm dancing in another day. I'm a time jumper racing through the years, flying past the echoes, leaving all my fears. Every clock is spinning, can't hold me in place. One step ahead, I'm gone without a trace. I'm gone without a trace. No more waiting, no more signs. I make my fate, I draw the lines. Press rewind or fast forward, but I'm right here, I move onward. I'm a time jumper racing through the years, flying past the...
Hi! Is it good to be back? Ay nako guys. So hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I know that I have lots of utang guys. Like sa videos, hindi ako nagparamdam ng matagal. Kasi guys, sobrang naging busy ang person na to last year. Kasi last travel namin last year was actually September. And then, humabol si November. Si September kasi, sige guys, sabihin ko na. Nagbuskalan kami ng tita ko and ng boyfriend niya. Tapos kaming magkakapatid and also with Heinz. And then, after buskalan, nagla Union kami noon. Parang magkadugtong lang yung travel namin. So, we met Apo ang the legendary Mang Babatok yung tattoo. So, eto guys. Yan, eto to. Tapos, meron din kami sa, ako niya mismo talaga, sa granddaughter niya. Ito. So, this is my first travel ngayong 2025 and I am glad kasi dito kami pumunta agad ngayong 2025. So, ayun nga, going back, nung November naman nagbagyo kami with friends. So, magpo-post na lang or maglalagay na lang din ako ng konting clips lang kung ano mga naging ganap namin. Kasi December guys, din ako nakapag-vlog kasi parang mas gusto ko lang siyang parang i-ano sa self ko. I-treasure lang. Kasi umuwi yung dad ko nun guys, Christmas and then New Year. The good thing about is magkasama kami ni Heinz ng Christmas and New Year. So, first time namin magkasama ng New Year. So, very sentimental siya sa akin. Kaya parang, sa akin na, parang, inano ko muna, chinerish ko muna on my own. Pero if you're following my social media accounts, yun guys, makikita nyo naman dun yung naging ganap ko nung Christmas and New Year. Tapos, eto na nga guys, February 23, today guys, 2025. Hindi ko mapakita yung date sa inyo guys kasi yung phone kong isa nandun sa loob naka-charge. Then, another phone yung gamit ko. Nasa Bangkok kami guys! My second home. Yeah. So, third time ko na dito, guys. And I'm very, very happy kasi, ayun nga, pagpasok ng 2025, pag-decision na namin ni Heinz to go here in Bangkok. Actually, hindi siya talaga super planned na February. Parang napagplanuhan lang namin na sana this 2025 makabalik kami ng Bangkok. So, ayun nga, guys. Nakabalik naman. Then, the reason why it's ngayong February siya. Kasi guys, binigla ako ni Heinz nung December kasi may Valorant event dito na gaganapin. And then si Heinz kasi Valorant player siya and he is an avid fan ng ibang teams, especially Sentinels. So yun guys, kung may makanood man ditong Sentinels fans or taga Sentinels member or team or such, guys, my boyfriend is a fan. So yun lang. Ayun nga, so bumili siya ng ticket nung December and then nagulat ako like around 1 AM. Bigla siya may sinend sa akin. Ticket, sabi ko, ha, ano to? Tapos sabi niya, we're going to Bangkok. Tapos sabi ko, ha, kailan? Ganun. Tapos sabi niya, February. So, kami, since December yun, 1 month na lang yung pagitan namin para makapag-prepare. So, yeah, rush kami pag-check ng tickets, ng airfare, tapos check ng Airbnb and such. And guys, i-room tour ko kayo later on kasi sobrang ganda dito sa Airbnb namin. Like, for me, sobrang ganda niya na kasi una sa lahat, very spacious. Next thing is, very accessible siya sa lahat. Sabi nga nung nasa front desk, may 2 7-Elevens nearby sa amin, which is good din kasi 7-Eleven dito guys. Very okay siya, like para na siyang mini grocery shop. Tapos we have balcony, we have 1 bedroom for privacy, we have bathtub sa CR. Basta the reason why kaya namin siya napili at nagustuhan para makita nyo din. Kasi syempre guys, dito sa vlog na to, we wanted to share our experiences, our moments, our knowledge in regards of the place or the culture about it. So yun lang guys, sobrang excited ako. So 1 week kami dito guys ulit. Actually, di ba literal 1 week, 5 days kami dito kasi 2 days sa event si Heinz and then yung 2 days na yun, magsisolo trip ako by my own. Yeah, wish me luck guys. Tapos, good thing about it is, since February, nung 14, hindi naman kami super nakapag-celebrate ng bongga. Kasi sabi nga namin, sige, i-focus na lang natin lahat ng magiging budget or lahat ng plans pag Bangkok. And then, alam niyo naman guys, every 25 months na rin namin kasi November 25 is our anniversary. So, today is February 23, Sunday, and then February 25, yun, magse-celebrate din kami ng monthsary namin here. So, yes. So, ayun lang guys, sobrang excited ako sa inyo i-share ang mga ganap namin this upcoming days, this Bangkok vlog. Kasi ibang-iba siya sa vlog na ginawa ko last time na nag-Bangkok kami. Kasi yung first Bangkok ko, you can just check it here, nanood ako ng tour ni Suga. Yeah, nanood ako ng tour ni Suga dito sa Bangkok. And it's my first concert ng K-pop. Kasi I promised to myself na ang una ko mapapanood na K-pop group is BTS. Kasi super fan ako ng BTS, guys. And then, sumakto naman na nagka-pandemic. So, hindi natuloy yung MOTS. Kasi dapat yun yung plan kong manood. Tapos, biglang pagka-pandemic, biglang nag-military sila. And the good thing about it is, si Suga kasi, nag-decide siya na mag-world tour. So, ayun, wala sa Philippines. So, I decided to check sa ibang bansa. Then, eto nga, sa Bangkok ako. Kasi guys, graduation gift ko din siya sa sarili ko. So, yeah, yun yung first Bangkok ko and first K-pop concert na napanood ko. Next thing is, yung second naman namin is, eto ulit, check nyo na lang. Tang. Ayun nga, yung kay Suga, 4 days lang kami kasi parang first time, tapos biglaan, ganun. Tapos, yung second namin, 1 week kami talaga, as in, 7 days kami dito sa Bangkok. Kasi guys, manonood din dapat si Heinz ng concert noon sa Les Seraphim. Ang saya nga kasi VIP siya, soundcheck, ganun. Kaso guys, pag napanood yung vlog namin na to, yan, medyo sad moment kasi late na namin na-realize na sa Bangkok na kami. Saka namin nakita na canceled yung concert kasi nagkasakit yung 3 members, nagka-influenza A sila. So, buti na lang, gumaling din sila kagad. Pero, hindi na pwede ituloy yung concert. Sayang kasi dapat manonood si Heinz noon. Birthday sakto ni Yoonjin. October yun guys, tas birth month ni Heinz. So, parang birthday gift niya na rin sa sarili niya. So, basta guys, malalaman nyo dito. Tapos yun kasi guys, part by part yun. So, sobrang dami kasi nga 1 week. Pero dito guys, siguro itatry ko din siya part by part. Pero, gusto ko siya i-lessen yung part by part. Pero mas mahaba yung time frame niya. Kunwari sa part 1, let's say first to second day, so siguro sabihin natin 30 minutes. Basta ganun guys. Iba siya. The reason why I said iba siya kasi sa lahat ng Bangkok trip namin ni Heinz, yung 2 beses na namin bumalik, lagi kaming magkasama. Except lang yung kay Suga kasi yon, ako lang talaga nakabili ng ticket that time kasi talagang do or die yung ticket selling nun guys. Yun. Pero after nun, magkasama kami ulit. Dito kasi guys, sa 2 days ni Heinz, sa panonood ng Valorant, hindi ako kasama. Una sa lahat, hindi kasi ako super fan ng Valorant. Please don't get me wrong. Pero I support my boyfriend very, very much. Kung dun siya masaya, go fine. Kaya kami nandito, right? Yun. Pero may alam ako, naglalaro na nga rin ako eh. Basic lang. Yun. So, medyo newbie lang ako, guys. Noob na newbie. Yun. So, ayun. Habang nandun siya sa event, kasi parang whole day yun, it's either I'm gonna stay here in Airbnb. Pero kasi, para masulit ko yung amenities ng Airbnb. Or, aalis ako. So, sabi ni Heinz, alis ka na lang para masulit mo din yung travel. Try to parang travel by your own. Parang i-date ko yung sarili ko kasi siya nga mag-isa siya. So, yun guys. So, magta-travel ako mag-isa. Like, maglilibot-libot din ako dito mag-isa. And it's gonna be my first time na umalis na, like, like literal na mag-explore by my own without Heinz. So it's very challenging for me kasi guys, hindi ako super sanay kasi human GPS ko si Heinz. So dito papasok yung independent era girly ko guys. Yun. Sana, diba? Sana. Tapos, so 2 days yan guys. And then, sumunod is, yun na, mga kasama kami. And then, ang gagawin kasi namin ngayon, kung ano yung mga hindi pa namin napuntahan last time, ayun, pupuntahan namin today, this upcoming days. Kasi guys, last time, yung mga pinuntahan namin, magkakalapit. Like, parang sabihin natin, last time, nasa north area kami ng Bangkok. Ngayon, nasa south area kami. So, yung mga nasa south, yun yung mga pupunta. Very near, hindi man very, pero nearby kami ng Pattaya. So, Pattaya kasi more on sa beach, ganun-ganun. Pero iniisipan namin ni Heinz kung good ba na mag-beach kami or what. Kasi nga, very limited lang yung time frame namin dahil may mga event siya. Ayoko naman siya super mapagod. And then, isa pa guys, kasi right now, Thailand is experiencing influenza pandemic or epidemic. Pero ang target ages nila is bata. Pero syempre okay nang safe, 'di ba? So kami ni Heinz, we decided na kahit ayun yung sinasabi sa news, ganun. Gusto namin maging safe. So gusto namin yung mga pupuntahan na lang namin is hindi super overcrowded kasi naghanap ako guys ng mga parang tourist spots na mga hidden gems. Like hindi pa talaga siya super pumapatok kasi kung super pumapatok mo siya, makikita ko na siya sa TikTok. Pero ako kasi parang sobrang pili lang, yun lang. So, yun guys, yung short story ko. So, very, very sorry if sobrang late na ako nakakapag-update, gano'n, wala akong ganong paramdam. Pero, again guys, if you're following my social media accounts, yan, dito guys, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo. Yun, dun ako super updated sa main ko. Actually, sa main account ko hindi sa Lee Archives na account. Yun, sa main account ko ako pinaka-active. Malalaman nyo kung ano yung mga ganap sa life ko, kung ano bang pinaggagawa ko, bakit hindi ako nakakapag-vlog, ganun. Kasi guys, I'm really trying to do a day in my life. Kaso parang hindi ko siya forte. Kasi guys, hindi ko naman sinasabi parang boring yung day ko. Pero kasi, very, like, may work ako, graveyard shift ako, guys. So, that time, nagwo-work ako. And then, ang ginagawa ko lang naman, nagwo-work at nanonood ng anime. Tapos, kung hindi man ako nanonood ng anime, magbibiglaan lang kami ni Heinz na kumain somewhere, ganun, like, specifically, Jiangnan, kahit anong oras siya, guys. So, ganun lang yung a day in my life ko. Tapos, maglilinis, ganyan. So, hindi ko talaga siya parang forte. Pero sige, let's try, malay nyo, diba? Pero, I'll be starting to do Get Ready With Me. Kasi, guys, na-enjoy ko yung pag-makeup. Parang nakikita ko yung progress na nag-i-improve yung makeup ko. And then, yun nga, i-dedicate ko yung sarili ko here in Bangkok na maghahanap ako ng mga makeup stores like Sephora, yung mga sikat na mga makeup boutiques dito and such. Tapos, yun, mag-haul ako, ganyan. So, siguro yun yung mga short clips na pwede kong ma-share sa inyo. Then, you can just follow my TikTok kasi hindi na ako gagawa ng Lee Archives TikTok. Like, literal sa main ko na lang. So, I'll just drop it my account here. So, again guys, I'm very much active sa social medias ko. Pero, not totally active na, sana nagva-vlog ka na lang para mas may ma-release kang content. No guys, kasi gusto ko yung content ko very may laman, may quality, and sobrang hirap niya gawin. Kasi travel siya guys. I prefer travel vlogging kasi mas enjoyable siya. And, mas marami akong ma-share sa inyo guys. Yun. Kaya mahirap guys, kasi una sa lahat nga, working ako guys. So, hindi din naman ako anak ng milyonaryo na I can book whatever I want, whenever I want, like kahit anong oras pa yan yun. Siguro, out of town pwede, pero out of the country hindi. So, yun lang guys. I do really appreciate your patience, understanding, and also support. So, sa susunod ng mga kabanata, wow! Sa mga susunod, makikita nyo kung ano yung mga ganap namin, ganap ko at ganap ni Heinz. And then, yun guys, sayang kasi may GoPro na ako, tapos nagka-problema pa. Like, nakapag-umpisa na ako kaninang mag-take ng clips na yun yung gamit ko. Tapos, pag-check ko sa ibang videos, corrupted na yung file. So, feeling ko dun sa SD card siya. So, I'll be checking here ng SD card na lang din para yun yung magamit ko mas handy kaysa sa phone. So, yun lang guys, it's 15 minutes already. Thank you so much sa little intro na to. And then, yeah. So, see you later or see you around. The Archives is back. Love, 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 love. Hi guys! Right now, nasa kami, Chatok pa. So, yeah, shopping muna kami today kasi may mga ganap kami next days. Konti lang din kasi yung dinala naming damit kasi nga we're planning to buy it here na lang for para mas spacious yung maleta namin. Tapos yun lang guys. Bumalik kami dito kasi nearby siyang bilihan sa Airbnb-han, pinag-Airbnb-han namin. So, yun na guys, see you later. See you around.
Câu này mình bắt mình cầm sát này à?
Guys, ito talaga yung reason kung ba't kami pupunta sa Bangkok para sa Valorant event na papanor niya. And ito, magtitingin siya ng merch. So, I'm really happy for my jowa kasi look at him. He's actually healing his inner child. Actually, hindi na inner child. Like, ganyan talaga. Kasi nakakawala ng angas yung eco bag na or yung tote bag na bit-bit. Kasi yung mga pinamili namin sa Chak Tok Chak. So, dun yung goal niya sa merch. So, yan. Pipila siya, guys. Yeah! Go, jowa! So, hi guys! Good morning! So, kagabi hindi na kami nakapag-outro, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos kagabi or yesterday kasi in the first place, naninibago ako ulit. Second is, phone yung gamit ko kasi guys. Kasi nga, hindi nagkaroon ng issue bigla yung sa GoPro ko guys. So, later ko ipapacheck yung SD card ko or baka bumili na lang ako, hindi na ako magpa-double check. So, it's already 7:58 guys in the morning here in Bangkok, and then 1 hour delayed dito sa Bangkok guys. So sa Philippines it's already 8:58. So yun guys, sorry for my morning face, pinapahinga ko kasi yung lashes ko, yung eyes ko, basta and all, yung face ko. Hindi ako nag-makeup muna, like just woke up like this guys. Ang aga ko guys nagising, nag-alarm ako ng 9:30 kasi wala naman kami kinamamadali ni Heinz today na oras. So, ayun nga, yesterday, after namin mag-Chak Tok Chak, bumili kami din ng ilang gamit na guys. Like, ilang pasalubong, ilang ano. So, medyo hindi ako makapag-vlog kasi ang daming bit-bit. Ganon guys. Tapos again, phone lang yung gamit ko. Tapos kumain kami dun guys. Ang sarap ng kinainan namin dun. Yung parang siyang karinderya sa Pilipinas. Ganon guys. Street food market talaga siya. Ang sarap dun guys ng fried rice nila. As in. Ano kasi guys, I stopped eating rice last year for almost 1 year. Like, siguro umabot ako ng 10 months na hindi nag-rice. And then, suddenly, due to medical health, pinapakain ako ulit ng rice. So, I started eating brown rice. Kasi guys, mostly nagda-diet ako, fasting, ganun. Pero, meron kasi akong ini-intake na medicine. Like, maintenance ko siya guys, na nagpapaboost ng cravings ko. Ganon, nagpapaboost siya ng many good food sa akin. So, from brown rice, nag-i-intake ako ng paunti-unting white rice, guys. And then, snacks, drinks, and such. So, if mapagka-compare nyo yung before and now ko na physical feature, yes, I know, parang lumaman ako, guys. Kasi nga doon, due to meds na kailangan kong inumin, guys. Siguro sa mga susunod ko na i-open up yon if I'm totally ready kung ano man yun. But, just to give you an assurance, it is not so serious siguro. It's not so serious for others. But for me, it's very serious. That's why I need to take it. So, it's for the betterment of myself, guys. It's gonna be for the best. Tapos, guys, yun na. Afterwards, pumunta kami sa UOB Live, guys. Siguro, not quite sure kung may video akong na-clip dun sa place. Pero, Ang ganda niya guys, kasi event siya ng paggaganapan nga nung dun sa Valorant na papanoorin ni Heinz. Tapos sa baba nun guys, mall siya. Basta ang ganda niyang mall. Very unique, very modern. Very edgy siya guys. So, kung wala man ako mapakitang video, siguro magpo-post na ako ng photos kasi may mga photos ako. And then, sa kabilang side ng mall, since hindi pa naman manonood pala si Heinz yesterday, pumunta lang kami doon just to check kung may merch siyang mabibili. Kaso, para siyang concert guys, mabilis ma-sold out. So sabi namin, babalik na lang siya today, which is ngayon kasi siya nakaschedule to watch. Not quite sure kung mag-watch pa siya. So yun lang guys. Yun na, lumipat kami sa kabilang mall and then we saw doon yung mga maliliit na, parang maliit siyang area wherein may raccoon, ganun. May mga exotic animals na hindi basta-basta nakikita sa zoo or what. So, yun guys, may videos ako nun, papakita ko sa inyo. And then, next thing is, may mga dogs din nun. Basta parang more on parang yung floor na yun for animals. Tapos, yun nga guys, the reason why na feeling ko parang 50-50 si Heinz manood ngayon. Kasi guys, yung gusto niyang group na mapanood sa Valorant, yung Sentinels, guys, natalo kahapon. Yun yung pinaka nilalook forward niyang mapanood ng live. Parang ano doon, kapag natalo, wala na. Like, parang last game na ni Sentinels para mag-move forward sa another round. Yun guys, natalo. Like, ang saklap sa feeling. Kasi, after namin mag-oob live, so sobrang pagod na namin kasi kahapon kami dumating, tapos wala pa kami ganong tulog that time. Tapos umalis kami, nag-chaptok-chak kami, ikot-ikot and such. Tapos guys, sobrang init here right now. Parang nauubos yung energy namin parang. Umuwi na kami sa Airbnb just to chill. Yun, nanonood siya ng live noon. And then yun na, natalo guys. So, parang nasa siya na, yun nga yung pinaka main reason kaya kami pumunta here in Bangkok. Tapos parang, naudlat na naman. Tapos yun. So, pero, sabi ko, why not try mo, malay mo, makita mo pa rin sila doon. Kasi alam namin guys yung entrance and exit ng mga players, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, check niya daw. So, ayan guys. Pero, since the good thing about it, last night, pagka-uwi namin, mananood, kumain kami, ganyan-ganyan. Ako naman guys, just to rest out, just to chill out, para mawala lahat ng parang stress or pagod sa sarili ko. One of the good thing or favorite thing that I bought yesterday was the bath bomb. Yun. Yung guys, kapag nalagay mo sa water, parang more on bubbles siya. Tapos lalo na pag sa bathtub. Sakto guys, yung comfort room namin, yung bathroom namin dito may bathtub. So, yun nga. Buti nakita ko kasi sa chaptok. Kasi talaga naglo-look forward ako makabili nun dahil na may bathtub. Tsaka, parang to chill, to rest. Kasi nandito ako guys, para mag-rest. Hindi para ma-stress. So, yun nga. So, nakabili ako, tapos I tried. So, na lang ako ng clips, like photos dito. Kasi wala akong video guys. Para naman sa privacy ko guys. So, photos na lang. Yun. Sobrang sarap niya sa feeling guys. Kasi I thought, kapag katapos kong mag-ganon, magigising ako. Tapos, alam mo yun, mahilig kasi ako guys yung magpuyat. Tapos manonood ng anime, manonood ng kung ano-ganon. Pero guys, that time, after kong maligo, after ko gawin yung routine ko, like, girl, guys, napaantok talaga, like, for real. Kaso syempre si Heinz kasi pa, tapos dinadamain ko siya kasi na-heartbroken siya, guys. Ayun. Tapos, may TV kasi kami dito sa sala, tapos may TV din kami sa kwarto. Sabi ni Heinz, tara doon na tayo sa kwarto manood, para if ever makasleep ka, mas comfy. So, ayun, di lumipat kami, di nood, ganyan. Tapos suddenly, nag-check siya ng social media. Pag bukas niya ng Instagram or Facebook, let's say, yung story or yung My Day, yung unang-una doon, after nang sa kanya, nag-post yung Sentinels na may meet and greet. So sabi niya, love, ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, let's go! Sabi ko, sige, puntahan natin yan tomorrow, ganyan, agahan natin, ganyan. So, ayun guys, so parang, sana makuha namin this day yun, yung spot doon. Kasi later, gigisingin ko na si Heinz para makapag-asikaso kami. Para naman maging worth it yung punta. Like, for real. Kasi guys, parang binibenta niya na yung ticket niya. Doon sa isa. So, ayun lang guys. So, mamaya, try ko mag-get ready with me. Yun nga. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, parang isa na yan sa mga gagawin kong, sa videos, get ready with me, shopping haul, and whatsoever. Siguro gagawin ko yung mga shopping haul kapag kapag pa-end na ng day namin dito sa Thailand. At least kahit pa paano, yun na yung halos lahat ng napamili namin. Except na siguro sa bath bomb kasi makagamitin ko na siya every other night. Yun. Pero papakita ko sa inyo, may photo naman ako. So, yun lang guys. I hope you have a good day, the rest of the day, or evening kung anong oras nyo man mapapanood tong vlog na ko. And stay safe always, guys. And always remember to be happy. And I love you so much. See you later or see you around.
Sun's up, yeah, shining bright. Feeling like it's gonna be a perfect ride. Oh, no stress, no mess, just cruising free. Every little moment feels like a melody. Turn it up, let's feel the sound. Let the rhythm spin you round. No bad days, we're flying high. Nothing but blue up in the sky. Good vibes, only let them flow. Let the music take control. Sing it loud, let's make some noise. We're alive, so let's enjoy. Oh, yeah. Feet up, yeah, we're riding waves. Dancing like we just don't care who's watching today.
I'll look down, hope everyone is good. Shout out to your friend who's here supporting us. Let's fucking go. Thank you, John.
Living life like we're forever young inside. Turn it up, let's feel the sound. Let the rhythm spin you round. No bad days, we're flying high. Nothing but blue up in the sky. Good vibes, only let them flow. Let the music take control. Sing it loud, let's make some noise. We're alive, so let's enjoy. Oh, yeah. No rewind, no. Woke up slow, no rush today. Sunlight dancing on my window pane. Coffee brewing, waves rolling. Feeling good right where I am. No deadlines, no need to run. Just breathing in the morning sun. Let the rhythm take its time. Got nowhere to be, just peace of mind. It's a good and chill day, just going with the flow. Let the breeze take me where it wants to go. No worries, no stress, just smiling away. Living in the moment, feeling okay. Barefoot walking down the street. Music playing, got that easy beat. People laughing, sky so blue. Nothing else I'd rather do. No deadlines, no need to run. Just breathing in the morning sun. Let the rhythm take its time. Got nowhere to be, just peace of mind. It's a good and chill day, just going with the flow. Let the breeze take me where it wants to go. No worries, no stress, just smiling away. Living in the moment, feeling okay. Let the hours drift like waves, slow and steady, that's the way. No rewind, no fast forward, just the
Yes!
nothing more. It's a good and chill day, just going with the flow. Let the breeze take me where it wants to go. No worries, no stress, just smiling away. Living in the moment.
So, hi guys! On the way kami ngayon sa Ancient City. Like, isa siya sa mga tourist spot dito sa Bangkok. Kaso, hindi pa siya yung very overrated. So, maganda siya puntahan kasi kahit paano, konti pa yung tao. Nakita ko lang siya sa TikTok, guys. And then, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung bakit siya parang deserving or worth it puntahan. Kasi, maraming areas doon na pwede nyo pagpicturean, pagtambayan. And, yun na, see you later. See you around.
Up to the sunrise, golden on my skin. Yesterday is over, let the new begin. Fresh air, deep breath, I'm feeling so alive. A million possibilities waiting outside. No more looking back, no more second guess. Every step I take, I'm moving my best. The past is gone, the future's bright. I'm stepping forward, chasing light. It's a brand new day, a brand new start. A little more hope, a little more heart. The world keeps turning, I'll find my way. Nothing's gonna stop me. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. Clouds may come, but they don't stay for long. Every drop of rain just makes me strong. Lessons learned, I keep them near.
Hi guys! Nasa ano kami? The Asian City here in Bangkok. Actually, ang layo niya sa Bangkok. Nasa Sukhumvit area na siya. Isa siya sa mga pinupuntahan na right now, kasi before hindi. Like, underrated pa siya. Pero ngayon siguro baka pa-overrated na. Kasi sinasama na siya sa isa sa mga tourist spots dito. Yung Asian City kasi guys, just a quick knowledge. Ano siya, iba't ibang klase ng tourist spots, not just in Thailand, but all over the Southeast Asia. So, hindi naman kompleto, pero siya yung largest outdoor museum right now. Not quite sure if it is sa Asia siya or dito lang sa Thailand. Like, may 200 plus hectares siya guys. So, meron kang choices. It's either you're going to walk, bike, golf cart, or tram. Yung tram guys, para siyang big tuk-tuk na group kayo. Meron din nakakotse, may naka-shuttle bus din. Pero kami kasi ni Heinz, we decided to use golf cart since kami dalawa lang. And then guys, ang laki nga niya is 200 hectares. So, parang nakakapagod siya lakarin. Eh, sobrang laki. Tapos, yun, more on temple siya, kung anong meron dun sa bansang yun. As far as I know, based on my research, meron dito Malaysian temple, Cambodian temple, of course, sa Thailand, and many more pa na areas ng Asia na meron din sa China na temple dito. So, we will be sharing some clips or photos para ma-provide sa inyo kung ano ba yung klase nung pinuntahan namin. Basta guys, ang ganda niya, di ba? Look at my driver. I'm such a passenger princess, guys, and I love it. So, ayun lang guys. Hindi ko naayos yung GoPro ko. That's why naka-phone lang ako right now. So, see you later or see you around. Pwede, sige. Guys, ang init guys. So, walk-walk lang kami kasi magkakasunod yung mga picture areas. So, lakad lang kami. Hi guys. Sobrang refreshing nito guys. It's apple soda and then kay Heinz, blue lemon soda. Kasi guys, ayun nga ang init. So, we need to hydrate. So, bumili kami ng drink for a while. Yun lang guys. Sabi ni Heinz, magdadrive ako. So, hopefully maging successful. See you later!
But I won't let them hold me here. No more looking back, no more second guess. Every step I take, I'm moving my best. The past is gone, the future's bright. I'm stepping forward, chasing light. It's a brand new day, a brand new start. A little more hope, a little more heart. The world keeps turning, I'll find my way. Nothing's gonna stop me. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. One foot forward, I'm on my way. Every sunrise brings a change. No regrets, just lessons learned. Now it's my time, now it's my turn. a brand new day. Yeah, yeah, a brand new day. I'm on my way.
Hi, love. How are you? Are you tired? Di pa. But are you busog? Yeah, food trip all the time. Are we good? Are you stressed a while ago? Why? My driving skills, amazing, right? Oh, love you, Baba. So much.